Hello everybody, hello everyone, hello all my fans and friends and everyone. So I promised to you, as you remember in previous videos, that I'm going to show you how I make scrunchies for my hair. As you can see, I've got one myself here. Yeah, it holds the hair very well. It's very beautiful, especially if you choose the right color. And here's one of the scrunchies that I've made. I actually finished it, as you can see. Yeah, so that's a scrunchie, so it will hold the hair very well, as you can see. So I started off as this, so I need about 40 centimeters, about 33 to 40 centimeters, and this is what I've done with this. So I've knitted about 40 centimeters, then I put in half like this, and inside I put an elastic. Then that elastic, which is this one, as you can see, is elastic, I stitched inside. So you stitch it like this, circular. So this is one of the examples. You see the elastic is inside, and then what you need to do is so as you can see, I stitched here, inside here. I have a needle, and I start sewing this bit, obviously like this. So it becomes like this, as you can see, finished in the finished option. So this is where I've stitched all around and on the side. You can't even see it because when you stitch with a needle, it makes it look very professional. You nearly cannot guess where is the stitch. So this is great. It's new, it's fresh. I do the other one like this. I still have to knit this much, about 15 centimeters maybe, and I'm going to do the same as this. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and this is the way that I do my scrunchies, and I wear them, as you can see, so I'm very proud of making them. Thank you. I was on the Vanila Arts channel, is with arts and where I share a lot of things with you. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and I love you all. So let me show you quickly how I do this one. So I stitch it like this. I do 2 rows the same, and then I change the rows as front stitch and back stitch, and all that it is. There's nothing special, nothing different, nothing heavy, nothing hard to do. It's easy. All you need is to be able to knit, and this is it. You could do this yourself. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and see you soon.